Hey guys, welcome to Joe's RC Corner, and again we're back on the Stinger build, Stinger 40 for the club member that that's going to be doing most of the build in here. But I just wanted to do a quick intro. So here's the intro, and here's the time lapse, and I'll be back at the end to kind of go over what we did. guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse. You know, I know some of you guys aren't really fond of the time lapse, but because we tend to just keep moving, and I'm helping him along the way so that he's learning how this aircraft is going together. So just a quick update on where the aircraft is right now. As you can see, fuselage is now also built. In the last video, we finished the tail feathers and the rudders right here. And those came out really good. He did a great job building those. We did fiberglass. I don't know if you saw in the time lapse, but we fiberglassed the where the wooden dowel joins the two elevator halves together. So that has been fiberglassed, sanded, and it's looking really good. It's really strong. Should not have any issues with that. We even fiberglassed the section where the control horn gets attached. So that's all good, ready to go. I'd have the plastic pieces on here just as a trial fit so you can get an idea of what the aircraft looks like. But we are going to make a wood fuel tank cover, as they call it here. This part's going to be a wood turtle deck, as well as we did on the back half here. So we got rid of this plastic one. The center section here where the canopy goes, we're also going to figure out a way of making a wood version of that as well. It might be removable. We're not sure yet. We're going to wait to see when we get the wings joined and mounted on the fuselage. We're going to take a look at it then and kind of make a decision on how that's going to go. So let me move this out of the way. So we laminated the firewall. So this is all set, ready to go. We're going to put the marks for the center on the firewall itself, and then we'll take it over to the drill press, and we'll go ahead and get those drilled in. So that way we can put the blind nuts on the back side to attach the motor mounts. The fuselage here, as you can see, we have a little bit more sanding still to go, but here's the wing saddle here. We're going to put in the wooden dowels and everything for the wing to go in, and then bolt down here. Fuel tank's going to go up here. We are going to put a shelf in there, and I haven't decided yet. Maybe, maybe not. Might put a hatch down below so we can access the receiver pack that'll be mounted down under here. We also have an ignition pack as well, and an ignition module that we need to get mounted in here somewhere. So we're going to figure that part all out. We're not quite sure on where everything is going to fit, but we're going to have to figure that out. We've already got our guide tubes for already installed here, and the exit holes back here in the tail for the elevator and rudder. We've also added a bigger piece of plywood down here at the tail because we're using a Robart Tough Gear tail wheel. Grab that over here. It's their semi-scale tail wheel for a 20 to 60 size, which will be perfect for this. So we've already got our blind nuts installed. So after we finish the covering, all we have to do is go ahead and bolt that on, and we're good to go. Connect the springs to the rudder, and beautiful, done. The only things that we're trying to figure out still in regards to the tail section here is the way everything fits back here. You have your horizontal stabilizer, fits just like so, and then your vertical stabilizer that fits like so. Because we're not using the plastic turtle deck, I'm going to end up with a gap right here. So we're going to have to figure out how we're going to use some sheeting to kind of flare that in. We're also going to use some block balsa down here to bring that transition down and blend that in as well. So we're still figuring that out. As we go, you guys will see how we've done it as we move forward. So other than that, that's pretty much all we've gotten done So until next week, guys, thank you very much. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Every subscriber helps me out. I'm still growing the channel. I appreciate your support, and I'll catch you on the next video. So keep building and keep flying.